It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. How do you know when your dog is dying? Let's start. Death is part of life. As pet owners, it's not a part we like to think about too much, but sadly it's one we all have to deal with eventually. Although natural death doesn't happen that often, we believe pet owners should know what to expect when it does occur. While few dogs die of natural causes, if you own an elderly dog, you may be wondering what to expect. When you own a dog in hospice care, there are a few signs to watch for that may indicate your pet is transitioning into death. While these signs can also be signs of illness or other changes, when they occur together it's a general feeling that your pet is preparing for his demise. If you start noticing these signs, it's always worth a trip to the vet. Your family veterinarian will have gotten to know your pet over the years and will be able to confirm your suspicions. Signs to watch for in an elderly dog or a sick dog in hospice care include the following. Loss of coordination. Loss of appetite. He no longer drinks water. Lack of desire to move or lack of enjoyment of things you once enjoyed. Extreme fatigue. Vomiting or incontinence. Muscle spasms. Confusion. Slow breathing. Inability to get comfortable. A desire to be closer to you or a desire to be alone. This may depend on the dog, but will present as an unusual need or behavior. Loss of consciousness. Weeks before your dog dies you will begin to notice some of these signs. Most commonly, these signs follow a pattern similar to the following. 3 months to 3 weeks before your dog dies, you may notice weight loss, poor grooming, duller eyes, dehydration, and gastrointestinal changes. 3 weeks before your dog dies, you may notice increased weight loss, prickly itching, a change in breathing patterns, less interest in pleasurable activities, increased self-isolation, eye discharge, and skin problems. The last few days before your dog dies, you may notice extreme weight loss, a distant look in his eyes, a lack of interest in anything, unusual restlessness or stillness, a change in the way your dog smells, and a change of temperament. For the tranquility of our pet, it is our duty to provide him with the comfort and tranquility that he needs. We must make them as comfortable as possible by providing them with a warm and comfortable place to rest, our company, or solitude if that is what they want. Once your dog has passed away, what should you do? The first thing you can do if your pet passed away with his eyes open is to gently close his eyes. During his passing, your pet may also have lost bladder or bowel control and many pet owners want to clean their pets. This can be done with baby wipes. Perhaps the most important thing during this time, however, is to take your time to be with your pet one last time. Take the time you need to say goodbye. If you choose to cremate your pet, your veterinarian can handle this process for you. All veterinary clinics have pet crematoriums that they work with directly. However, if you prefer, you can organize this process yourself and accompany your dog to the crematorium in person. Of course, if you decide to do this, you should keep in mind that it must be done immediately. It is important to recognize that the dying process in dogs, just like in humans, takes place months, weeks, and days before actual death. Therefore, dying begins long before actual death occurs, and the process is a very individual experience. Just as dogs are unique in their own way, so is the process of each dog's death. Unless your dog's death is sudden, as might be the case from poisoning or an acute infection, owners often experience anticipatory grief as their dogs go through various physical, behavioral, and psychological changes during the transition out of this world. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate misbehavior and create the well-behaved, obedient pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. Thanks.